Farmer's Market Day. Yung dyan yan. Ang ating sarap na breakfast. Tapos ito yung spoon pot. Ayun ang ating squid. Dalamay. My fruit salad. How about the curly salad? 2 minutes. Perfect ang pagkaluto. Baked whiting fillet. Ayan. Ayun. Successful ang ating beach so. So ito siya. Bulburan mo lang siya ng brown sugar or white sugar after siya maluto. Ganyan lang siya kabilis. Ito kasi ang unang bitso na alam ko. Kasi dati sa amin madami nagtitinda ng ganito. Lalo na yung mga maraming tanim na kasawa. So most of the time, ang bitso sa amin sa Cebu ay gawa sa kasawa. So ito na nga yun. Bitso ni Mrs. G. Cebuano version. Cebu version. Hey.
You. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning, lovelies. Happy Tuesday. This is one of the best idea. Kitchen hacks. So if you're busy and you need a quick meal while preparing your rice, and then you want to have your ulam, just do this. Before the water from the rice dry out, add eggs and your sausage. This is fully cooked now. Save time and gas. 1 pot meal. Wash your eggs thoroughly. Wash it with water. And then slice your sausage. This is a chicken sausage. Voila, your breakfast is done or your meal is done. Lalo na to sa mga busy while showering or while preparing your stuff